We are here in Batu Cave station, and this is local train coming here. Here we entered already. This is electric local train. You can see the view inside the train. Here you can see the different